Hello my friends, my name is Pritam Nikki and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video of PTC Creo, we're gonna be talking about another method of importing non-native data in PTC Creo environment. So let's get started. Let's go to new and part. I should fix the template, I think, because every time I'm choosing. Okay, let's leave that right now. So maybe you can ask, like, we need to import the data and why you have created the new part. This is the trick. Maybe this may be useful for you. For example, you have a big assembly and your company is working in a top-down assembly sequence. You have already some references in your part. You have just opened your part and you just want to import another IGES or another any kind of maybe STL geometry in your model. So what you can do here in this particular scenario, when your part is connected in skeleton or maybe in top down assembly mode, you can actually import the data. Now I will show you how you can. You need to click on get data and then click here at import. Now again, here the same file, import. Now we have option here like how we want to import. Let's be automatic, and you can even select format. It's okay. For me, you can choose the template. If you want to change the template, you can always change the template, and there are so many other options which we're gonna be talking about later on. And here in this particular scenario, it is not required. I'm going to click OK and OK. Now you can assemble it if you want. Here I'm just making it by default. Okay, so let's click OK, and now you can see we have successfully imported our IGES file to the file having another name, which is PRT0001. Now this is one use case example, like maybe you're working in top-down approach and then you cannot delete this file and cannot create another file to your assembly. This was a use case. Maybe in your particular case the use case might vary. Please do let me know what was your use case, why you wanted to use this particular method. I hope guys this video may be able to help you, like how you can import your non-native Creo model to PTC Creo environment with all the datum planes and views. If yes, then consider subscribing to our channel, and you may also support us in Patreon. I will be putting all the links in the description down below. Till then, take care and bye bye.